Okay, so I just filled up the cuvettes, all 5 of them. I'll put the caps on and ready to measure the absorbance. I'm gonna use the nitric acid as blank. Okay, the absorbance is gonna be set at 447 again. Okay, 447. Okay, so the blank is 000 something 2. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna put number 1 in, number 2, and so forth. Okay. Typically, what I like to do is put it in twice. Now I don't know why I'm getting absorbance here, but I'm gonna let it set for a second. I guess the blank has a absorbance of 0.01, kind of similar to the blank last time. Okay, we really don't need it, okay, but and we may have to correct with things. So, so number 1, I'm going to put in there, measure its absorbance. It says 104, 105. Okay, let's say 105. So number 1B is 106.106. Okay, we might come back and measure each one of these again. See if they come up with similar or sames. Number 2. Number 2, 0.133. Okay, number 3. At least it's going up. That's what I expect, because when we made them up, the first one had the least amount of color. Okay, so this guy, it's gone up. And I'll call it 150.151. Now it's flipping, and it looks, now it's going to 2. The last digit, remember, is our guess digit, and I'm going to pick 151.151. Seems to stay on that the longest. All right. Number 4. Oops. The top just popped off. While I was trying to wipe it off. It's getting a little messy there. Okay, it has ridges. That's the side I hold, and then I try not to touch the clear side. There's a lot of bubbles in this guy. So I tap it lightly to the bubbles up top, putting it in, and it's gone up again. That's good. Then right now it's at 199.199. It's gone up to 0.200. We'll let it sit in there another 10 seconds or so and decide what we want it. All right, now I'm going to call it 0.2, well, 0.19. Just got to pick one of them. 0.200. Okay, the absorbance for number 4. Now it's going up to 201. So we'll say 0.200. Okay, and number 5. Okay, it's 28.246 right now. 7. Wait another 5-10 seconds, see how it goes. Okay, so it's flipping between 46 and 47. I'll call it 0.247. Okay, so that's our last reading. Okay, so that finishes up the experiment, and then what we'll do is, well, I'm going to clean up, and then that's always an important thing to do, and you won't see me cleaning up. I'm not going to show you that. But what I do is I rinse, pour everything out in the sink, rinse it with tap water, then rinse it with distilled water, and let it air dry. And I do the same thing with the cuvettes. Now, the other thing that's important is that when you make up your solutions and you put them in your cuvettes, it's a good idea not to throw away your solutions. I've seen many experiments with students who go, oh, I forgot, or I didn't do something right. And if they would have kept their solutions, they would have, and so they threw out their solutions, so they had to remake everything. What you do is you keep everything until you're absolutely sure you're done with the experiment. Okay, so I'm sure I'm done with the experiment, and so I'm going to do a PowerPoint that will show you how to take care of this data. Okay.